Just wanted to do an update.
Hey, it's April. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new here, I hope you stick around because we do all kinds of stuff from crafts to cooking to gardening. So this video, it's just going to be about gardening, and it's for the entire month of May, just kind of the progression of what my plants have done. So I start you out from the time that I planted them till the end of the month, and I hope that you enjoy the video. I hope it's somewhat informative, and I consider myself still fairly new to gardening, and I'm learning, and as I learn new tricks, I like to kind of pass them on to you in case you don't know. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Okay, look how big these are already starting to get. And I planted them, what, maybe a week ago? I'm down here watering. Now there's my cucumbers I planted just a few days after the first round. And there's the peppers, but now we went ahead and pruned the peppers. Because supposedly if you count, go up about 3 to 4 leaves and then cut off that top, instead of your plant going straight up and being kind of skinny, it actually makes it, the stalks thick, and then it'll bush out. Okay, I'm down here watering. Those two I've watered. Ooh. But I haven't watered these yet. This is starting the second week. Look how big and pretty they're getting. I also planted these, which I just watered them. They look beautiful at the moment. I think they're called coleus or colas. And those are snapdragons. I got those from Mother's Day, those snapdragons. Look how pretty these are getting now. And the little one's starting to grow. Thinking I'm going to go get some mulch and put around here. Look a lot better. Now today is Memorial Day. They're starting to look good. Stalk on that. Look how big that is. Or it's getting. It's at least as big as my thumb or close to it. Those still have some growing to do. Cucumbers.
So do you know how to tell a female flower from a male flower on a cucumber plant? Well, I want to show you how. If you look right here, the flower that has what looks like a little bitty cucumber on it, but it's got the open flower, that's the female. This one, it's just a flower only, and it doesn't have that little bitty cucumber looking thing on it. That's the male. And what happens is pollinators, which can be your bees or your ants, the pollen will get on the pollinator and then it will get transferred into the other pollen. To the other flower. But obviously there's no guarantee. So what you can do is take a Q-tip and swirl it around in that stamen. I think that's how you pronounce it. In that stamen, and swirl it around inside that flower and get the pollen on it. And then you want to you want to start with the male one. You want to get the pollen from the male flower and then insert it into the female, and just kind of swirl them around a few times. And I've done that over the years, and it actually, you'll see not long after, you'll have a little cucumber starting. So I just wanted to kind of pass that knowledge along.
There's the lemon boys. My tomatoes are pretty big. They're over, I'm guessing they're over 18 inches, or at least at it. So I'm pruning. And I need my small ones, but I end up grabbing my big ones. But you see right here is the main stalk. Right there is a branch coming off of it. But right in that dead center is a sucker. So we're gonna get rid of those. Right there, it's touching. And then I'm gonna spray them down with peppermint oil. It's a soapy peppermint oil. And that will help kill off and try to fight it off like aphids. Sprayer, I've got a gallon of water, a tablespoon of like a Castile soap, like a clear soap, dish soap. If you have to use like a Blue Dawn or something like that, only use 1 to 2 teaspoons because it can kill your plants. And then I used 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil and mix that all good, and then I'm just going to spray them. And you should test spray first, because sometimes this stuff, if you've got it too strong, can kill. Okay, while I'm at it, if you ever think that you're pruning something that is diseased, clean your shears with alcohol before you move on to the next plant. And then as far as cucumbers go, that little wadded up looking thing, that you want to prune. Like right there. I want to cut that one off. You see how it's starting to turn, and it's also low to the dirt. So let's take that one out. And then these little things that are trying to grow, get those out. All right, there's my little guy. It's really starting to grow. On these peppers, anything that's looking brownish, yellowish, I'm throwing out. And most of these are the ones that are like close to the dirt. I think I got those. Well, that's all for the month of May. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, you found it informative, please give me a like if you would. Also subscribe, that way you can know whenever I'm coming out with June's video and July's video, etc. So, and like I said at the beginning, we do a whole lot of stuff besides gardening. So appreciate you sticking around, and I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.